welcome to the Free Press Journal's weekly infra roundup. I am Sweetie Bhagwat, bringing you the biggest infrastructure developments from Mumbai and Mumbai metropolitan region for this week. From India's first travelator-equipped multi-modal skyway near completion to a major milestone on the Eastern Freeway extension and Mumbai Port Trust Authority's crackdown on lease defaulters, here are the week's top infrastructure stories. So the first story is about the Mahalakshmi Multi-Modal Hub. Mumbai is a step closer to the seamless public transport. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority has completed nearly 90% of the Mahalakshmi Multi-Modal Connectivity project, which will bring India's first travelator-equipped public skyway connecting the monorail, Metro Line 3 and the suburban railway network. The 263 meters long skywalk will feature 6 travelators, 2 passenger lifts and 11 meter wide pedestrian bridge. Once operational, the interchange will be capable of handling around 4,500 passengers every hour, which is quite big. So this is the biggest update with regards to the travelator. The project will connect the Sant Gadge Maharaj Chowk, monorail station, Mahalakshmi metro station and Mahalakshmi railway station, making one of the Mumbai's biggest and largest multi-modal transport hub. MMRDA says the project has also been executed without felling a single tree, despite being built in one of the city's most utility congested corridor. Second story is about Mumbai Port Recovery Drive. Mumbai Port Authority has launched one of the biggest recovery drives against lease defaulters and unauthorized occupants on port land. The authority has identified several major entities, including the Indian Hotel Company Limited, which includes Taj Mahal Hotel, as among the top lease rental defaulters. According to MBPA, this combined outstanding lease dues are estimated at around Rs 3,500 crores. Officials say chronic non-payment has affected the port's ability to finance key infrastructure projects planned under the Maritime Amrit Kal Vision 2047, including the proposed Mumbai Marina, cruise tourism facilities, shipbuilding infrastructure, water transport projects along the eastern waterfront. To speed up recovery, the Port Authority has engaged senior legal experts and plans to initiate criminal proceedings against the unauthorized occupants. Another development is about the Eastern Freeway extension milestone. MMRDA has achieved another significant engineering milestone on the elevated Eastern Freeway extension. Engineers have successfully erected the 2 main truces of a massive segment launcher over the busy Eastern Express highway. Each steel truss measures around 59 meters in length and weighs 160 tons. The complex operation was completed during a 4-hour traffic block, with the actual lifting completed in just about 1 hour. The launcher will now begin placing 1,632 precast segments, each weighing nearly 90 tons for the elevated viaduct. The 13.9 kilometers 6-lane corridor will connect Anand Nagar in Thane to Cheda Nagar in Ghatkopar. Once completed, the Eastern Freeway extension is expected to reduce travel time between South Mumbai and Thane to around 20 to 25 minutes, while offering signal-free connectivity and easing congestion on the Eastern Express Highway. That's all for this week's Free Press Journal's Infra Roundup. For more exclusive updates on Mumbai's infrastructure, metro projects, road, housing and urban development, keep following the Free Press Journal.